So in this video we are going to read NFC and RFID cards. So let's just start. And NFC and RFID card, we are going to talk about these cards in a moment. So let's just start with this card and let's just put it on the back of FlipperZero, and as you can see it has started reading this card and I can stop. So it's doing a dictionary attack on this card and trying to read all the blocks in this card. So let me just stop and let me show you the UID. So let me just focus, and over here you can see this is a Mayfair Classic 1K card, and over here you can see the UID as well. So Mayfair Classic cards are NFC cards. This is a type of card. So let me just stop and exit, and let's just try to read this card as well. And this time we are going to use apps, and over here you can see different sections in apps as well. So there is NFC as well, and we can read cards. So let's just try to read this card. And over here you can see it's also a Mayfair Classic card, and at the bottom you can see key found 29 out of 32 and sector read 15 out of 16. So let's just stop this card as well for now, and over here you can see the UID of this card, and let's just go in more section, and over here you can see the option to save this card data, emulate. We will go emulate in our coming videos. So let's just save the data for now. So this card is saved now. Over here you can see. So we can emulate data and we can also write this data. So let me show you another type of card, and over here you can see this is a magic card. So magic cards are different from these NFC cards. They are similar in a way that these are also Mayfair cards, classic cards, but in normal Mayfair cards you cannot change the UIDs. But these cards, the magic cards, you can change the UIDs as well, and we can save the data from this card to these magic cards. So let me show you. So let's just first try to read this card. And over here you can see, so over here you can see this is a Mayfair Classic card, and the UID you can see 01020304. And let's just exit, and let me show you another script. Over here you can see NFC Magic. So let's just go over here and let's just check this card. So as you can see, this is a magic card, and if you go in more, you can see we can write and we can also wipe the data from this card. So let's just try to write the data first. So we have saved this card MK01. Try to write this card, and let's just do continue, and it says write success. So let's just check. And let's just try to read this card now. And let's just stop. So as you can see, the UID is changed. Over here you can see the UID of this card is changed, and the sector data is also changed. See? So we can write these cards, and let's just exit, and let's just check this card one more time, and we can wipe data. So let's just try to wipe data. Wipe success. And now let's just try to read data. And as you can see, again the UID is changed in these cards. So these are magic cards. We are going to use these cards. This is a credit card, and we can also NFC is also used in contactless payment systems. So let's just try to read this card, this credit card, and let's just go in NFC again, and let's just go in NFC script, and let's just try to read. So as you can see, we can read this card. FlipperZero to read the contactless payment cards as well. So RFID enabled cards or NFC enabled cards, we can easily read data, and we can read the card number as well, as you can see, and expiry date as well. And we can again save this information, and we can save this information, and we can emulate this information as well. See, we can emulate this data as well.